your kid. I'm the most messy to your grips. I got them niggas on my ankle trips. Don't look at me, I look kind of
Honestly, Kim, you want to bath without a soap? Is that possible? You're going to bath with a soap. Use a soap, madam. Alright, see you soon. Bye. Bye, baby girl. Can you imagine, guys? Kuti munhu anomuka akaita wiwi, amuka akaita wiwi. So I was telling you kuti ageza. So amuka akaita wiwi, guys. Munhu wangu akaita wiwi maneko. Then so I was saying that I was telling her kuti ageze ndogeza nesipo irekana kuti, if you can imagine, guys.
Mvura over 25. Mvura risipenyu iri kuno mnayo ndine. Mandiri mnayo. First page and it. I'm the first page.
First page in it, Amari.
In it at 250.
Alright, I'm going to pay Basera one.
I want to see number sale.
Oh, they're doing.
I'm not taking it at 50 to pay one.
Oh,
I'm taking it 100 kind of construction makes us to pay two.
I see. Alright, Saka, and did she can do it as say? Now,
I don't give you see a mistake. I'm drinking about who didn't drink a wine.
Alright.
Madison drinking remains stress pay. Madison cup for my feet.
Alright.
What is this? Maybe Madison Camora can go to you.
Madzinos Koga.
I'm going to shoot that on the cheetah noise hysteria.
Okay. Alright. Saka ndikasvika nazvo ndosipamvura. It's fine. Alright. So, tatora ukutsedu, guys. 25 beds. 25 beds, guys, and we honestly, kombi ngomira zvayo muroad, and there is another one coming. Ngomira. Why are you stopping? Yet there is another combi that is just in front of me, and the other one is coming, you know. So you don't need to say, just stop in the road. That's what they do. What else should I do? What else should I do? What else should I do, guys? I'm road dash takuravan. Just stop as well. Feel out, How does it feel? Nine. Ngumira we. Apa kumashure kune convoy. Zatanga kuhuta. Ish. Why should I navigate pakati pakadaro? The other combi was approaching in this one. Yakatongomira zvayo. Kuda kuti ndiite sei. Samire. Tanga kundihutira. Tutu kuita sei. They should feel it as well. There's no shorter say. Nine. Apa yona nguchimanya kwa kumanyira munhu angusvikomira murodi. Chii chakadaro ichocho. I wanted them to test their own medicine. Yes. These combis drivers, they are so reckless. I was listening to news. Is it Star FM? President he was actually commenting ninyema accidents, but compare my accidents, statistically my accidents are 2024 and 2023 going back there, and like now my accidents are 20. So he was actually addressing that issue. My accidents, guys, my accidents are January, February in our country. So the president was actually addressing that issue. And he was urging the police officers to be so strict to do their jobs. To do their jobs on the road, guys. So expect to see the worst. The worst. Oh, that's kind of as potholes, I found. We are actually losing human life, guys, because of reckless driving on the roads. So vanga vari concerned. Ansizotenga maranzi nemari yakabharuka. Ansizotenga maranzi nemari yakabharuka nevedu. Bvisaiwo kabhasikoro murodzi. Munhu waMwari. Zvakaoma. Munhu apaka zvake bhasikoro rake murodhi akuda kutotenga. Just in front of me. MaZimbabwe chiko naivi. Chiko. Chichapinda matiri. What has gotten into us Zimbabweans? Vana varespecte roads, handiti? Kune vamwe varida kupinda iwa pakabhaiki rako murodhi, and it was a nice, beautiful bike. Nenda kuratidzai, guys. Ranga rakanaka. It's a new bike, and rakanaka zvisingaiti. Apa hanyatsori paka murodhi. Akutenga zvake pasaipera. Zim people. My people. It's nice to be in Zimbabwe. Unokuita zvaunoda shuwa. Kuita kunge vanhu nyika isina muteto. Chichakadaro daibe. Kuseka zvakuka. Zvakaoma. Anyway. Anyway, guys, I got the chicks. I got 25 chicks, guys. Those are nazo. These are broilers. I just bought this, guys. I want to do this project for family consumption, mainly for family consumption. Of course, about 25, maybe I'll sell maybe 10. I'll sell 10 chickens and consume 15 chickens. Then these 10 chickens will buy chikafu for the next group. I don't know if I'm going to increase the number, but mainly I'm doing broilers, guys, for family, mainly for family consumption. Even the road runners is for family consumption as well. I'm doing these projects mainly for family consumption. I want this project, guys, to fund itself. Just to get the feed for the birds. So it's self-funded. What uchitanga, you can't it can't fund itself, but with the time I just want it to be a self-funded program, project. I mean, a self-funded project. This I say anything or like this I say much. This I say much on this project, guys. I don't want to be, pumping money from my pocket to fund this project. I want it to fund itself. It is take. Otherwise, that's all. Yeah. Acharwa nezvine nharo, mirai muone, acharwa ndinyerere. Guys, I got besides the chicks, I got myself some sandals. Let me just show you. These are the sandals. I wanted something different from this. I wanted something different, but ndashaya, guys. Ndashaya masandals and that's why I had to buy these ones. I charged $3. They were not very expensive. Then I had to, when I was in the shop, guys, I saw this cap and I loved it, guys. So I bought this cap. It's my cap, guys. It's my personal. I loved it. And always New York City. 175 New York City. It's a nice cap anyway. I had to buy this. Right, let's see the babies there.
Hello, little babies.
The little babies.
Baby,
The baby.
I love babies.
You love them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Babies.
These are
So
cute.
cute.
But unokura sachikafu una zvotonwa mvura but kupinda mukati kana 25 kuita kunge zvishoma shoma 25 wada zvichaita zvikangotanga kukura unoona zvakuwanda.
Iya kunoda mambava
There mushonga there. Apa some warm there. Akakari kuti 0. This is hot water there. Handidi vanhu vasingakuri kudya chikafu muchirasa kudai. Asi chinai vana vadiki vanorasa chikafu una chekutoteta. Can you imagine? Did not welcome you guys to the video, so let me just do it now. Welcome guys to a new video. It's a weekend vlog. It's a weekend vlog. So guys, let me just give you an explanation a little bit. So this is the project that we have started. It's a backyard chicken rearing or chicken farming that we are doing at our place. We have started this program mainly for the family consumption, just to help ourselves, guys. These days kutenga usavi kunonetsa, and in our case we don't have electricity yet, so it will be best if we can keep the chickens ourselves. We want to eat chicken, we just get into our forum and get the chicken. So we are trying to, we are starting small. Yes, I know eventually we are going to grow into something big that later in life will smile it. It's something that is cool, guys. Nobody has taught me thus YouTube and watched some videos regarding this project. You know, a lot of people are doing much, guys. Oh, this person is okay. So a lot of people, guys, are doing much regarding this project, the backyard chicken farming. So I just told myself, let's just try this. Otherwise, it's what can I say? It's not a stressful project. You can do this project while you're going to work. It doesn't matter the type of work that you're doing. You can just start this project. It's as easy as, I don't know, guys. We just started. So we went to the whatever shop. We booked for the chickens, and for the chicks, I mean, it took a week for us to get the chicks after the booking. Then you saw, guys, I just bought a 5 kg of starter crumbs for the broilers and the stress pack. Those are the things that I bought, guys. Just as simple as that. For the chicks, it's $25 for 25 chicks. And then for the starter, what do you call it? The starter, for the mesh, for the starter crumbs, I bought them for $4, 5 kg. Then the stress pack, it was $2.50. So you can do the maths, guys. You can do the maths, guys. All in all, I think it's $30, 30 bucks for starts. So around $30 anyway. So it's just that, guys. And for the road runners, I bought them they were going for $1 for 2, I think. Yeah, I remember, $1 for 2. So I used my $20 back then to buy for those things. And these are road runners, guys. I just gave them like the starter mesh for 1 month, 4 weeks. And now mixer, we are mixing chikafu, the concentrate, and macreshi. These are road runners for me to stress myself by, you know, buying this and that for the road runners. And it's not a man-making project. This is just for my family to feed, just to feed my family. So why should I stress myself giving this and that? So that's the project that we are doing, guys. Right now we are just using what we have in our house. We are yet to build a proper forerun, and maybe you are going to build a forerun or buy some cages, I don't know, we'll see. We just want to go by the cheaper route, the cheaper way, guys. That's what we are going to do in this project. Otherwise, enough for the day. Then as we come back, we feed them. For the road runners, guys, they are cheap to keep. My mother told me that you just need to give chikaf makusen. Then in the evening, if you are home, you can give alternate by giving them some green vegetables. You can give muriwo, you can also get whatever you want to feed them. As for my road runners, especially the free ranges, my leftovers, we also have the free range road runners, guys. As of now, they are 8, and they are doing very well. And we are getting some eggs. So far, 2 so we are getting some eggs every day too, and keeping some. I just want them to maybe 5, not much. I don't need much, guys. Maybe 5, and most of all those eggs, we are eating them, guys. We are having them for breakfast. So that's it. That's the project, guys, that we are engaging in. It's just as simple as that. Aina kana stress, guys. Aina kana stress. Unless if you want to do or to make it a money-making project, you need a lot of things to include the land, water supply, the feeds. You need money, a lot of capital to start that. It's another project on its own, guys, which involves a lot of money. But as for us, guys, we are just doing it for family consumption. Otherwise, that's all. Anyway, if you find this video useful, guys, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, guys. Please don't skip ads. Comment I will scan. Just put a comment, guys. Chiko hamudi kuti ndikurewera, hamudi kuti ndidyewo mari here yeyoutube scan. Just put a comment, make this thing work, guys. For me, you are the people, you are my people. Anyway, guys, let's continue with the vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. To manage to vlog though, because this week is very busy. I'll see you guys pandendango kuonerai when I manage. My fuel is reporting, guys. Up, I'm going to work. Can you imagine? And you're imagine. And my kids, guys, are on what happened today? There. What happened to that gonyet? Yo, maybe something happened to the gonyet. The gonyet, guys. The gonyet. Okay, let's go to work, guys. Let's go to work. What did I say? I had said something. An exit weekend. They're on exit weekend. Yeah, so my kids are on exit weekend, and they will be going back to school on Tuesday. So I am on leave, guys. I'm also on leave. When my kids are on leave, I'll be also on leave, guys. The school run, waking up early, preparing for everyone. Preparing for everyone, guys. So I'm a happy mom. I'm a free spirit from Friday. For how many? Friday and Monday. Oh, for those 2 days. I'll be free. Everybody's free. This mama will be free for two school days. I'll be free, guys. I'll be free. 2 without waking up, preparing for the kids, guys. So I'll be happy doing my things. I don't like this t-shirt, guys. I look at it, guys. I mean, design t-shirt is of cheap quality, guys. I don't like it though. It's of cheap quality. Let's hope I namiri. Anyway, I just wear it. I just have to wear it once or twice. Only Papa Patricia program. Right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Joe Kid. I'm the most messy to your grips. I got them niggas on my ankle trips. Don't look at me, I'm not the kind of West. This is the world, what's not the eating crust. Young kids, so many creeps. I just come around when I need yo. All lips, I'm on the trees. I just get around when I'm moving low. Oh, I'm down when I drag ground. I just sing drum when I drop it wrong. I'm looking for the palm when I live alone. Yo, I see when I see song. Shake down, break down. Yo, shake down, break down. Young love, break down, shrug down. Break down, look down. What do I wanna say? So yo, DJ, gonna roll on the level and let drop. Yo, just what do I wanna say? Yo, I king on the roll on the woo. Yeah, you never know, rap, bro. I got on the ticket on the creeps. She got so bro, on the broops. Oh, all my niggas on my boots, yo. Bruce Lee, on my lean creep. Kung Fu, yo, trees in street, yo. Monsters, shing team. I'm just coming from the throne, in the long zone. I just a kid, I'm on the wrong. I got these niggas on my ankles. Oh, on my mama to the trees. I she go drum on lease. Yeah, when I bomb on the ground, when they take on the road, when they put on the road. I have a king because I don't see good, rubber my low. Shut my wall of my trunk. Come in the room when they come in the song, yo. I got in the room when the trunk. She go, no bubble.
So guys, this is what we are doing today. We are screening patients for refractive errors and cataracts. So for those with refractive errors, they will be getting some glasses to help them improve their vision. Then for those with cataracts, they will be booked for cataract surgeries, so that we'll be doing the operations on them to improve their vision as well. So this is what I'm wearing, guys, the OTD. That t-shirt and a black slack and some sandals. So as you can see, guys, I am an eye health champion. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself, guys. And this program, guys, is being run by the Ministry of Health and Child Care, yakabatana ne Helping Zimbabwe plus CBM. So that's it, guys. I'll catch you later, maybe after work. Bye.
Yeah. Joking. I'm the most messy your grips. I got a niggas on my ankle trips. Don't look at me, I'm not the kind of rest. This is the world, it's not the evening quest. Young kids, so many
Hi guys, it's a Sunday today and we are coming to yeah guys, we have today. We had a beautiful Sunday and I hope you guys have been blessed as well. So we are going home, guys. I just came here, guys, to say just to end this vlog. I just want to say thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you have learned something from my backyard chicken farming. Yeah, if you have any contributions towards that, guys, I would want also to learn from you guys. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Cheerio.
Joking. I'm the most messy your grips. I got a niggas on my ankle trips. Don't look at me, I'm not the kind of rest. This is the world, it's not the evening quest. Young kids, so many creeps. I just come around when I niggas, yo. All lips, I'm on the trees. I just get around when I'm moving low. Oh, I'm down when I drag ground. I just sing drum when I drop it wrong. I'm looking for the crown when I live alone. Yo, I see when I see song. Shake down, break down. Yo, shake down, break down. Young love, break down, shrug down. Break down, look down. What do I wanna say? So yo, DJ, gonna roll on the level and let drop. Yo, just what do I wanna say? Yo, I king on the roll on the woo. Yeah, you never know, rap, bro. I got on the ticket on the creeps. She got so bro on the broops. Oh, all my niggas on my boots, yo. Bruce Lee, on my lean creep. Kung Fu, yo, trees in street, yo. Monsters, shing team. I'm just coming from the throne, in the long zone.